Assalamu alaikum learners, my name is Moazzam Ali and welcome to Data Analysis with Python course offered by MT Learners. In this video, we will talk about feature scaling that is generally performed during the data preprocessing step to handle highly diverse magnitudes or values or units, and some of its techniques such as normalization and standardization that are the most popular and at the same time the most confusing ones. Let's resolve that confusion. Normalization is a technique to rescale features with a distribution value between 0 and 1. For every feature, the minimum value of that feature gets transformed into 0 and the maximum value gets transformed into 1. The general equation is shown as x norm is equal to x minus minimum of x over maximum of x minus minimum of x. Data standardization is also a term for a particular type of data normalization. It is the process of placing dissimilar features on the same scale. In other words, data standardization can be defined as rescaling the attributes in such a way that their mean is zero and standard deviation becomes one. Data is usually collected from different resources and agencies in different formats. That's why we have to use feature scaling techniques. There are some points at we make our comparison between normalization and standardization. Gaussian distribution. Normalization is used when the data doesn't have Gaussian distribution, whereas standardization is used on data having Gaussian distribution. Ranges. Normalization scales in a range of 0 to 1 or -1 to 1, whereas on the other hand, standardization is not bounded by range. Outliers. Normalization is highly affected by outliers, whereas standardization is slightly affected by outliers. Usage. Normalization is considered when the algorithm don't make assumptions about the data distribution. Standardization is used when algorithms make assumptions about the data distribution. Thanks for watching this video.